Greetings everyone. Last week I made this video just to elaborate that sometimes God wants to help you. The spiritual power, the universal powers are ready to help you. But due to presence of the eight powers, devil powers, evil powers within you creates delay, unusual delay on remedy, spiritual remedy or astrological remedy. I told as a laziness, eight gods of laziness, the presence of. Those may be said as the excuses also. I highlighted there, even person is very intelligent. Even he goes in the silent laziness. Now many good comments came of you all. Very happy I am. Very good comments. Gave a new interface and forced me to make a new video on burnout. Because laziness is one aspect. Now why laziness came? This is another aspect. Everybody wants to drill it more. Everybody wants to know more about this video. Previous video this. So let's discuss why these 8 laziness came to you and what are the reasons of the burnout. You got the burnout. Burnout happens due to many reasons. The major reasons are you lose the interest because of any financial reason, social reason, family reason, or business reason. Any adverse condition. Under the burnout, you started to feel disconnected from the world. You go far from your relatives and friends. You keep yourself disconnected. You stop the social media. Involvement. Earlier, you were motivated for everything, but now you are feeling exhausted and unmotivated under the burnout. This is symptom of the burnout. You had the good interest or you were loving the academics, the sports, extracurricular and all sort of talent shows, but now you are not interested because you are under the burnout. You were connected with the nature, growing the plants, enjoying the flowers, but now you are enjoying the stars, enjoying the clouds, enjoying the breath, enjoying everything, meditation, everything. But now you are exhausted. So these are the symptoms you have the burnout. And earlier you were doing a lot of self-care also, good hairstyle, good everything, good exercise, timely sleep, eating the nutritious food. But now you have stopped everything. no proper timetable, late sleeping, and late good morning. So all are the symptoms of the burnout. Now the question is how to come out, because this is the most important part. You have to come out from this burnout. For that I am here. For that this video is here. Before any other spiritual remedy or astrological remedy, like business success, like academic success, like any dream, you need to correct first this burnout. How you will? Now listen me, you have to start afresh everything. Today you listen this. If you are having the same symptoms of the burnout, you go and sleep. I don't force you, you connect everything tonight only. You go sleep like the child and get up early in morning and start to see fresh, from the fresh eyes, everything. Like you born today. Because as it is said, every day is a new day, every day is a new life, every day is a new opportunity. So see first everything from the new fresh eyes. Relook. Art of relooking. Do the art of relooking. Relook everything. And do meditation. 15 minutes meditation daily by chanting 108 Mahamrityunjaya mantra. Mahamrityunjaya mantra is not simple mantra. A lot of institutions are still doing research on its wavelengths, everything. Even IITs also. The energy developed by the chanting of the Mahamrityunjaya mantra is miraculous, I will say. Now you will be definitely interested to know more how it came, who originated the Mahamrityunjaya mantra, who wrote. Is Satyaguru wrote, or Satyaguru myself wrote, or someone else wrote? Who wrote? Who was the Rishi? Ravana wrote, Ram wrote, or Sri Krishna wrote, or Shiva himself wrote the Mahamrityunjaya mantra? What is the origin of the Mahamrityunjaya mantra? So listen, Mahamrityunjaya mantra is extracted from the mythological details. It is extracted from the Rig Veda. In the Rig Veda, we have many hymns. So on the 7th mandala and 59th hymn is related to Mahamrityunjaya mantra, and it is attributed to the sage Vasishtha. Vasishtha is the same sage who was the son of the Urvasi and Guru Varuna, who was having the cow Kamdhenu, miraculous cow Kamdhenu. And Vasishtha, after Vasishtha, one more mythological story came, and it is said that Mahamrityunjaya mantra is founded by the sage Markandeya. Markandeya was the son of the Mrikandu and Marudumati. Mrikandu and Marudumati. And the story goes further. It is said Mrikandu and Marudmati having no any children, no any son or daughter. So they went in the penance, austerity or tapasya for many years to please the Shiva. Shiva happened happy by the penance, austerity or tapasya and came. He told, I give you blessings, I give you son, I give you children, but my one condition. You want son with long life and low intelligence, or you want son with short life and high intelligence? Both were thinking, husband wife, Kandu and Mradmati. But good question. Shiva asked a very good question. You want son of the high intelligence with short life, or son with the low intelligence and long life? Mikandu and Madhumati chosen son with high intelligence and short life. Shiva blessed, and sage Markandu born. Since birth, sage Markande was very intelligent, and trio means three, Markandu, Marudmati and sage Markande were enjoying the family life. After some time, sage Markande happened of the age 12 years. His father remembered Shiva told that he is with a short life. So both husband and wife started to live under the depression that now this son, sage Markande, will die. Sage Markande, seeing the plight of the mother and father, sadness of the mother and father, depression of the mother and father, he thought sometime, as he was intelligent by the blessings of the Shiva. So he went finally, brought one shivling, sit near shivling, and he started to chant Mahamrutyunjaya mantra. Om Trambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pusti Vardhanam Urva Rukme Bandhanat Mrityurmuchi Mahamratat. He started to chant many years, but as the law of nature, death is death. So Yamraj came. He cut his nose to kill him. But what Markande, sage Markande did, he rounded his hands on the shivling. So Shiva happened happy and came. He punished the Yamraj. Why you killed his nose? And Shiva killed Yamraj. Now many other gods came. They told now, if Yamraj will not be here, Yamraj would be absent. Yamraj existence will be nil. Then there will be no nature, no nothing will happen. So please make alive Yamraj. Shiva made alive Yamraj, but in the condition that Yamraj gave new life to the sage Markande also. So I told you the story of the Mahamrutyunjaya mantra because burnout is equal to death. Burnout is so dangerous. So to come out from the burnout, you do art of relooking everything by yourself, as well as you first do penance, austerity, or tapasya of the Shiva. Do meditation 15 minutes daily, sit in the open space anywhere without carrying the air, water, and sun. And just close the eyes and chant the mantra 108 times daily, preferably before 8 a.m. or whenever you feel comfortable, in evening even. And miracle will happen and you will start to see everything new. Your burnout will be cured. Pushti Vardhanam means you will again recharged. Burnout means your mobile discharged. No life there. But mobile is there. It needs only charging. So charge by the Mahamrutyunjaya mantra. All the best. And if any other query, kindly may please comment. Thank you.